Now we're subtracting decimals with tenths, so first we have 17.4 minus 5.1. We can set this out as a column subtraction, but it's really important that we remember that our decimal points need to be lined up, because if our decimal points are lined up, then our tenths, our ones, and our tens columns will be lined up as well. So first, we can copy the decimal point down into our answer, and now we're subtracting using column subtraction, so working from right to left. So first, 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 minus 5 is 2, and 1 minus nothing is 1, so our answer is 12.3. Now we have 21.7 minus 2.7, so again we can set this out with our decimal points lined up. We need to copy the decimal point down into our answer, so that's lined up as well. And now 7 minus 7 is 0. We can't do 1 minus 2 using the column method, so we go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 11 minus 2 is 9, and 1 minus nothing is 1. So our answer is 19.0, which we can just write as 19, because remember, if you just have 0.0 on the end of a number, then you have a whole number. All the 0.0 tells us is that we don't have any tenths, but a whole number tells us that as well. Now let's try 12.4 minus 4.5. So we can set the question out with our decimal points lined up and copy the decimal point down into our answer. We can't do 4 minus 5 using the column method, so we go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 14 minus 5 is 9. We can't do 1 minus 4, so go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 11 minus 4 is 7, and 0 minus nothing is 0, so our answer is 7.9. Finally, we have 29.3 minus 12.6. So we set it out, decimal points are lined up, so we can copy the decimal point down into our answer. We can't do 3 minus 6, so go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 13 minus 6 is 7, 8 minus 2 is 6, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 16.7. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.